Hi everyone, my name is Asa Lucas. I am the owner and founder of Melagode Creations, which is a honey company that is rooted in health and wellness, creativity, community. I was also on MasterChef Season 15 Dynamic Duos with my cousin Shonda O'Dennis, and I am very excited to be here today in Miami, Florida at Armina Luxe in this beautiful kitchen to cook for you a crispy skin pan-seared duck with an orange sauce and a side salad to accompany it. So for today's ingredients, of course, duck, seasoned with salt and pepper. The orange sauce is going to be made with the Golden Original honey, along with some orange juice, garlic, rosemary, and parsley to garnish. And for the salad, we're going to be using endives, some arugula, persimmons, golden berries, and a chai vinaigrette using the Melagode Creations chai honey. What we first want to do is make sure that we clean it. So most of that duck fat is going to render off, but we can also shave some of it off because we're adding slits. We're adding slits into it. It helps if you spread the skin a little bit. Just pat it dry just one more time because when we score it, some of the fat comes out. Make sure we salt it beautifully. Some ground black pepper. So again, our cast iron skillet needs to be cold. Let's turn it on about halfway to medium heat, and we want to place the duck skin side down. And we want to press the duck down. Now we want to do this for the first few minutes because otherwise the skin will tighten, it'll curdle, and the duck skin won't sit properly over the rest of the meat. So we see most of the fat has been rendered off the sides. That's somewhat of an indication that it's almost done. But what we want to do is we're going to flip it. And look at that. Nice, beautiful. So we're going to leave it on here on this side for about a minute. Rotating it, make sure that it cooks evenly. Now we're ready to take it off. So we want to grill some of our oranges as well. So now we're going to prep our sauce. It's very simple. We have our orange juice. We have a little bit of the fat from the duck fat. We have some of the Melagode Creations Golden Original honey, some garlic, rosemary, salt, and pepper. We're going to add these ingredients, and we're going to put them into the pot here, and we're going to simmer it on medium for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now, while we're waiting, let's just slice down some of these golden berries. Come down nice and thin. The duck breasts, you want to lay nicely on top of them. And there we have it. Nice crispy skinned duck breast with an orange sauce and a nice spring salad to accompany it. So what goes with a beautiful dish? Well, a beautiful kitchen. And as a chef, I like space. And I like my space the way I like my space, and the Armina kitchen allows you to customize your kitchen in any way that you see fit. It has some technological advances that they incorporate within the stone. I like to listen to music, so this is something that I would enjoy. And also moving around the kitchen. When you're cooking a technical dish, you want to make sure that you have enough room to do the things that you need to do. And aesthetic to me is important too. And that's one of the things that Armina does as well, is while this is black and white stone, there are different color stones that you can get that match whatever your personality may be, your cooking style, whatever you like, Armina can do it. I like the way that you can't see my refrigerator, you can't see the dishwasher. It makes everything cohesive within the space that I'm working in. And it makes it very nice, clean, and it was such an honor, such a wonderful experience to cook in this kitchen, and I can't wait to do it again.